So first, I would like to spend a few minutes to give the introduction for our learning material because we have so many things. Actually, let me share my whole computer so I can switch around. Okay, so there's three places we can find the study material. One is the web page, and then group chat and the channel. Because the web page, we're referencing the channel, a lot of videos. Okay, let's go to this Tibetan Buddhism study. Let me post this link to the chat. I will also post it to the group chat. This is a lot of materials, so we don't want to get everyone confused and too much to learn. Okay, so this is the oral transmission. First is composed oral transmission. In here, we also have, this is like Patrul Rinpoche's teaching, right? So the word of my perfect teacher, which is recommended for all the lineages of Tibetan Buddhism study. So this is the oral transmission. This is the playlist. This playlist have update, okay, more than 10 lessons. Now it's 14 lessons, and all the discussions of our Zoom meeting. It will be good to have this link because
in Tibetan Buddhist tradition, it is
so all the teachings are public and also have introduction public. But the Ngondro discussion sessions, like what we did for this session, will be unlisted. So which means only people have link is able to see. We're not published to all the channel member. So continue. This is lesson 14, and there are questions for reflection. For each lesson, we have a few questions for reflection. So when people, this is AI narrated, the video, and then when you listen or read, we also provide the text. You can thinking about those questions in mind and then see what if you can answer. So start with this lesson 14. We started the meditation. This is the guided meditation. All the meditations instructions is in Campo's website. So this is Campo's website with launching intake. I didn't put each because they have 94, 92 actually, the meditation sessions. I put the master link, not every link. But for this lesson 14, it will be reflect on the meditation 1, reflecting on the nature of freedom. So you will see, you listen to Campo's teaching. Campo's teaching has English subscription. Then the beginning, main part, all the text, and also have some reminder which Campo want to put here. Then for here, we only have a guided meditation. Just thank you, Jonathan. Jonathan did this guided meditation. So you can listen once you read the Campo's instructions, you can listen to this guided meditation. So we'll go over a little bit more about how to do this meditation practice later in the teaching. Then let's continue. For this one is the discussion session. This discussion session is the last week's discussion session. Is transcendent perfections and other mode of conduct. Then from this teaching, from this lesson, we started to put the practice guide. This is a prostration because Campbell mentioned prostration as well in this lesson. So for the people, encourage people to do the prostration. We have a few prostrations. This is like 108 prostrations. So we can follow the guide to do this prostration. Then we have more to come. Since all the teachings will follow the Laranga Buddhist Academy, so we have a lot of materials. If you think it's too much, you can, just follow the basic. So this has more study material. First, we have the book. The book contains lesson 1 to 19. And for the normal, like the daily chant, so like refuge generate bodhicitta, you can look at the Larunga daily chant book. It's in further reference. We also have more materials in further reference for referencing some videos, like practicing videos. But for now, this is important. And launching intake Ngondro meditation instructions, I also put the link here. Basically, it's the same link as the previous one. Then I will continue. We'll continue put more book because the book is also in translation. The book 2, the volume 2, gonna be put it soon because 19th we have a few lessons ahead. Then we will publish another book here. So basically, we have a big team behind to support this teachings. So teaching was so precious. Okay, so this is the master sheet for our study. We started from by the end of last year, and then each week we have a lesson. Then we also have a discussion session. If you want to find the discussion session link, which because we're not published in all the channel members, so you can find the link here to go back to listen to the discussion session. Then this is continuous discussion, like from lesson 9, where we are doing discussion session like every week. So every week we have a lesson and discussion session. From lesson 14, we started the meditation. So we have a meditation instruction, which is the link what I showed, Campbell's website. And then we have the recording instruction video, and also the reflection on the nature of freedom. This is Campbell's instruction, and this is the guided meditation, which is the same link as we showed in the previous one. So this is the link here. So there's a lot of going forward, because for totally we have 92 meditations, I will put over here like each week. So we will have like where to look, which meditation session is corresponding to which lesson. So we will have like the complete teachings from here. So this spreadsheet, master sheet is continuously updated by me. Then this is the Zoom session. Like we have Zoom 1 and 2. Basically, we have some like reference. Yeah, this is all the teachings materials. Any questions so far? Is it clear?
Excuse me, can this pin on make a pin on a web page, so at least the main one, so we don't have to search for it or something.
I put it in the chat.
It's on the chat, but on our web page, WhatsApp page, you
Yeah.
can pin
Yeah.
this information. So if we need it, we can find it right there.
Or to ping, right? So
Just
okay.
one
Yeah.
page.
Yeah. I can put over here as well.
There are so many, we sometimes got lost.
I know. Okay, so I will update the pin information, and then I put over here too. So I will also paste it here.
Thank you.
Because yeah, continuously welcome, Sally. Thank you for the suggestion. I think because in the future we'll continuously add more content here as our study going on. Okay, let's go back. This is the also we have a group chat. I think so. We added the meditation practice from this lesson 14 with this page. We also have a group chat and channel. So we also post some study materials in the group chat and questions. Sally also doing the questions and explanations in the channel.